students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. So, in this channel you will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 7 mathematics, chapter 9 rational numbers. Today we will solve exercise 9.1. So let's solve the exercise. First question is list 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. The 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0 are -1 less than -2 upon 3, less than -3 upon 4, less than -4 upon 5, less than -5 upon 6, less than -6 upon 7, less than 0. -2 and 1. So the 5 rational numbers between -2 and 1 is -8 upon 7, -9 upon 8, -10 upon 9, -11 upon 10 and -12 upon 11. -4 upon 5 and -2 upon 3. -4 upon 5, then -13 upon 12, -14 upon 13, -15 upon 14, -16 upon 15, -17 upon 16. -1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. The 5 rational numbers between them are -1 upon 6, 0, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2, 20 upon 36. Second question, write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. -3 upon 5, -6 upon 10, -9 upon 15, -12 upon 20. In the above question, we can observe that the numerators and denominators are multiples of 3 and 5. So -3 into 1 upon 1, 5 into 1. -3 into 2 upon 5 into 2. -3 into 3 upon 5 into 3. -3 into 4 upon 5 into 4. Then next 4 rational numbers in this pattern are -3 into 5 and 5 into 5, that is -15 upon 25. -3 into 6 upon 5 into 6, that is -18 upon 30. -3 into 7 upon 5 into 7, that is -21 upon 35. -3 into 8 upon 5 into 8, that is -24 upon 40. So these are the next 4 rational numbers in the above pattern. Next, -1 upon 4, -2 upon 8, -3 upon 12. Now numerator and denominator are the multiples of 1 and 4. So -1 into 1 upon 4 into 1, -1 into 2 upon 4 into 2, -1 into 3 upon 1 into 3. So the next 4 rational numbers in this pattern are -1 into 4, that is -4 upon 16, -1 into 5 upon 4 into 5, that is -5 upon 20, -1 into 6 upon 4 into 6, that is -6 upon 24, -1 into 7 upon 4 into 7, that is -7 upon 28. Next, -1 upon 6, 2 upon -12, 3 upon -18, 4 upon -24. The numerators and denominators are the multiples of 1 and 6. So it is -1 into 1 upon 6 into 1, 1 into 2 upon -6 into 2, 1 into 3 upon -6 into 3, 1 into 4 upon -6 into 4. Then the next 4 rational numbers in this pattern are 1 into 5 upon -6 into 5, that is 5 upon -30. 1 into 6 upon -6 into 6, that is 6 upon -36. 1 into 7 upon -6 into 7, that is 7 upon -42. 1 into 8 upon -6 into 8, that is 8 upon -48. Fourth one, minus 2 upon 3, 2 upon minus 3, 4 upon minus 6, 6 upon minus 9. The above questions, the numerator and denominator are the multiples of 2 and 3. That is minus 2 into 2, minus 2 into 1 upon 3 into 1, 2 into 1 upon minus 3 into 1, 2 into 2 upon minus 3 into 2, 2 into 3 upon minus 3 into 3. Then the next four rational numbers in this pattern are 2 into 4 upon minus 3 into 4, that is 8 upon minus 12. 2 into 5 upon minus 3 into 5, that is 10 upon minus 15. 2 into 6 upon minus 3 into 6, that is 12 upon minus 18. 2 into 7 upon minus 3 into 7, that is 14 upon minus 21. Third question, give four rational numbers equivalent to minus 2 upon 7. So minus 2 into 2 upon 7 into 2, that is minus 4 into 14. Minus 2 into 3 upon 7 into 3, that is minus 6 upon 21. Minus 2 into 4 upon 7 into 4, that is minus 8 upon 28. Minus 2 into 5 upon 7 into 5, that is minus 10 upon 35. 5 upon minus 3. The four rational numbers equivalent to 5 upon minus 3 are 5 into 2 upon minus 3 into 2, that is 10 upon minus 6. 5 into 3 upon minus 3 into 3, that is 15 upon minus 9. 5 into 4 upon minus 3 into 4, that is 20 upon minus 12. 5 into 5 upon minus 3 into 5, that is 25 upon minus 15. Fourth, 4 upon 9. So 4 rational numbers equivalent to 4 upon 9 are 4 into 2 upon 9 into 2, that is 8 upon 18. 4 into 3 upon 9 into 3, that is 12 upon 27. 4 into 4 upon 9 into 4, that is 16 upon 36. 4 into 5 upon 9 into 5, that is 20 upon 45. Fourth question, draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on 3 upon 4. We know that 3 upon 4 is greater than 0 and less than 1. Therefore, it lies between 0 and 1. It can be represented on a number line as, this is 3 upon 4. Minus 5 upon 8. Now we know that minus 5 upon 8 is less than 0 and greater than minus 1. Therefore, it lies between 0 and minus 1. It can be represented on a number line as this. Minus 7 upon 4. Minus 7 upon 4 equals to minus 1 and 3 by 4. We know that minus 7 upon 4 is less than 1 and greater than minus 2. Therefore, it lies between minus 1 and minus 2. It can be represented on number line as my 7 upon 8. We know that 7 upon 8 is greater than 0 and less than 1. Therefore, it lies between 0 and 1. It can be represented on number line as fifth question. The point PQRS, TUA and B are the number on the number line are such that TR equals to RS equals to SU and AP equals to PQ equals to QB. Name the rational numbers represented by PQR and S. By observing the figure, we can say that the distance between A and B is 1 unit and it is divided into 3 equal parts, that equals to AP equals to PQ equals to QB equals to 1 by 3. So P equals to 2 plus 1 by 3, that is 6 plus 1 upon 3, that is 7 upon 3. Q equals to 2 plus 2 upon 3. So 6 plus 2 upon 3, that is 8 upon 3. Similarly, the distance between U and T equals to 1 unit and it is divided into 3 equal parts. TR equals to RS equals to SU, that is 1 by 3. R equals to minus 1 minus 1 by 3, that is minus 3 minus 1 upon 3, that is minus 4 upon 3. S equals to minus 1 minus 2 by 3, that is minus 3 minus 2 upon 3, that is minus 5 upon 3. Which of the following pair represents the same rational numbers? Minus 7 upon 21 and 3 upon 9. We have to check the given pair represents the same rational numbers. Then minus 7 upon 21 equals to 3 upon 9. That is minus 1 upon 3 equals to 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3 not equal to minus 1 upon 3. Therefore minus 7 upon 21 equals to minus 3 upon, minus 7 upon 21 is not equal to 3 upon 9. So the given pair is not represent the same rational number. Minus 16 upon 20 and 20 upon minus 25. So it is, we can divide 16 by 20. So it is minus 4 upon 5 and 20 upon minus 25, so 4 upon minus 5. So minus 4 upon 5 equals to minus 4 upon 5. Therefore minus 16 upon 20 equals to 20 upon minus 25. So the given pair is represents the same rational number. Minus 2 upon minus 3 and 2 upon 3. Minus 2 upon minus 3 and 2 upon 3. Minus minus we can cut, so 2 upon 3 equals to 2 upon 3. So minus 2 upon 3 minus 2 upon minus 3 equals to 2 upon 3. So the given pair is represents the same rational number. Minus 3 upon 5 and minus 12 upon 20. Minus 3 upon 5 equals to minus 12 upon 20. So we can cut 12 upon 20. So it is minus 3 upon 5. So minus 3 upon 5 equals to minus 3 upon 5. Therefore minus 3 upon 5 equals to minus 12 upon 20. So the given pair represents the same rational number. 8 upon minus 5 and minus 24 upon 15. So 8 upon minus 5 equals to minus 24 upon 15. 8 upon minus 5 equals to minus 8 upon 5. Therefore 8 upon minus 5 equals to minus 24 upon 15. So the given pair is represents the same rational number. 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 9. So 1 upon 3 equals to minus 1 upon 9 is not equal. So the pair does not represent the same rational numbers. Minus 5 upon minus 9 and 5 upon minus 9. Minus minus can cut, but 5 upon 9 is not equals to minus 5 upon 9. So the given pair is not represents the same rational number. Minus 8 upon 6. We have to rewrite the following rational number in the simplest form. That is minus 8 upon 6. The given rational number can be simplified further. Then minus 4 upon 3. Because divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. 25 upon 45. Here we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 5. So we will get 5 upon 9. Minus 44 upon 72. So we will divide both numerator and denominator by 4. So we will get minus 11 upon 18. Minus 8 upon 10. So we will divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So we will get minus 4 upon 5. 8th question, fill in the box with the correct symbol out of, more than, less than or equals to. First one, minus 5 upon 7, box 2 upon 3. Here the LCM of the denominators 7 and 3 is 21. Therefore minus 5 upon 7 equals to minus 5 into 3 upon 7 into 3 equals to minus 15 upon 21. And 2 upon 3 equals to 2 into 7 upon 3 into 7 equals to 14 upon 21. Now minus 15 greater than 14. So minus 15 upon 21 greater than 14 upon 21. Next, minus 4 upon 5 dash minus 5 upon 7. Denominators LCM of the denominators are 35. So we will get minus 28 upon 35 and minus 25 upon 35. So minus 28 is more than minus 25. So minus 28 upon 35 is more than minus 25 upon 35. Minus 7 upon 8 dash 14 upon 16. We can simplify 14 upon minus 16 by dividing numerator and denominator by 2. So we will get 7 upon minus 8. Now minus 7 upon 8 equals to minus 7 upon 8. So both the numbers are equal. Minus 8 upon 5 dash minus 7 upon 4. The LCM of the denominator 5 and 4 is 20. Therefore, minus 32 upon 20 we will get, and minus 35 upon 20. So minus 32 is less than minus 35. 1 upon minus 3 dash minus 1 upon 4. So LCM of the denominators 3 and 4 is 12. So we will get minus 4 upon 12 and minus 3 upon 12. So minus 4 is more than minus 3. So 1 upon minus 3 is more than minus 1 upon 4. 5 upon minus 11 dash minus 5 upon 11. Here both the numbers are equal. 0 dash minus 7 upon 6. Since every negative rational number is less than 0, so we have 0 less than minus 7 upon 6. 9th question, which is greater in each of the following? 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. So LCM of the denominator 3 and 2 is 6. So we will get 4 upon 6 and 15 upon 6. So 4 is less than 15. That is 5 upon 2 is greater. Minus 5 upon 6 minus 4 upon 3. The LCM of the denominator 6 and 3 is 6. So we will get minus 5 upon 6 minus 12 upon 6. So here we will get minus 5 upon 6 is greater. Minus 3 upon 4 and 2 upon minus 3. So LCM of the denominators 4 and 3 is 12. So we will get minus 9 upon 12 and minus 8 upon 12. So by comparing, we can say that 2 upon minus 3 is greater. Minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. The given fraction is a like fraction. So minus 1 by 4 is less than minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is greater. Minus 3 and 2 by 7, minus 3 and 4 by 5. We can convert them into improper fraction first. So we will get minus 23 upon 7 and minus 19 upon 5. Now we will find the LCM of the denominator 7 and 5, that is 35. So we will get minus 115 upon 35 minus 133 upon 35. So we can say that minus 3 and 2 by 7 is greater. Write the following rational number in ascending order. Minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. So here the given rational numbers are in the form of like fraction. So minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 5. Minus 1 upon 3 to minus 2 upon 9, minus 4 upon 3. First we will convert the rational numbers into like fraction. So LCM of 3, 9 and 3 is 9. So we will get minus 3 upon 9, minus 2 upon 9 and then minus 12 upon 9. So ascending order is minus 12 upon 9, minus 3 upon 9 and minus 2 upon 9. That means minus 4 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 9. Minus 3 upon 7, minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 4. First we will convert them into like fraction. So the LCM of 7, 2 and 4 is 28. So we will get minus 12 upon 28, minus 42 upon 28, minus 21 upon 28. So ascending order is minus 42 upon 28, minus 21 upon 28, minus 12 upon 28. That is minus 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 4, minus 3 upon 7. So this was exercise 9.1 of chapter 9, standard 7th. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in the comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.